Alright, so today we're gonna be making a script where people are gonna be starting some simple robbery and everyone is gonna get notified. It's like a trap thing, whatever. So, yeah, let's get started. First of all, I had to make a folder for the script to be in. Now I just opened it up on my Visual Studio Code and we have to create some files. First of all, fxmanifest.lua. Yes, we're gonna be the script is gonna be in Lua. So that's the first thing. Let's put in author Yami um game GTA 5 FX underscore version. This then we have to put in Lua 54. Yes. Um then let's create a client side file. So yeah, client underscore script. We will use the script. Lua. That's it. So let's see if our script works or not. We named it simple synced trap. I mean, it starts. Yeah, it starts, so it works. Right. So I have a function here which is gonna create 3D text, and we're gonna be using this. So let's just paste it up there. And also, the source code is gonna be linked down below in the description to my GitHub. Yeah, you guys can get it from there if you want to. So now start. So the idea behind the script is I'm gonna be making it pretty easy, so anyone can add or remove traps, trap spots, whatever. So for that, I'm gonna be using a table system. Let's name it spots. Yeah, and table. First one. So we need a name. All right. So let's name it. Let's name this one Facebook trap. Right. It's gonna be a string. Oh, the next thing we need is the coordinates or chords. It's gonna be a vector 3 xyz whatever. So let's get the vector 3 of this place and paste it. That's done. Let's make another one. Call it label. This is gonna be what's gonna show up on the 3D text. Uh, Facebook trap e. Yeah, that. Missed a comma there. All right. Now let's test this table, shall we? For testing it, I'm just gonna use a for loop for players, whatever. For loop. Uh, spots. Print. Let's print the value dot name. Since it's already a string, we don't have to do anything else to it. Just call it. Let's try. Restart and yep, it prints out the name we put in here. Good. Alright, now let's make a thread or a loop to show the text. For that, we have to create a thread. Create thread, uh, thread, and function. Good. Now let's create a loop inside that thread. Alright, starting wait time of 1 milliseconds. Same thing. You're gonna use the for loop. let's get the chords. Let's set the chords to a variable. So because we're gonna be repeating the because we're gonna be repeating it anyways. That's why I'm gonna put in a variable. Uh, yeah, value dot chords. Value dot label. Great. Right now, let's use this method to calculate the distance between me and the vector or the spot. Let's use a native called get entity chords player ped id that. Alright, if it's less than or equal to 5, then let's call out that function draw 3D text. See, now this is gonna come in handy. Chords dot x, chords dot y, chords dot z, and then label. So what I did here is I made a loop in a thread, and using the for function or for loop, I mean it's a nested loop, whatever. And then I'm getting the coordinates and then the label of each spot, and then calculating the distance between this coordinate and my coordinates, and checking if it's less than 5. If it is less than 5, then it's gonna draw the text. So let's see if all that works. Yep, let's go. It works. If you walk away, it should disappear. Yep, great. Awesome. Alright, so it works fine. Everything works on the first one. So to check if the table thing really works, let's create another one right next to it. Let's name it Facebook Trap 2. I mean, this doesn't really matter, but let's change this because this is gonna be shit. Yeah, let's put it here. Second one. Alright. Boom. Alright, so this one works. So what happens if I both of them work? Great. Now update it. Make it so it registers your key input. I guess I'll make it do something when you press E, and finish the server side. Thanks for watching.